In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture on your Reddit account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to add a profile picture, log into your Reddit account and then head to this top right. From here, you can see open profile menu, and by clicking on it, it will open or expand profile menu. Under it, go to view profile, and here you can see we have this option to add an image here. Alternatively, under this menu, you can just click on edit avatar. This will take you to available avatars. You can change from the pre-made one or the pre-existing avatars here. So for my case, I want to add my own image or my own custom image. So I'll go back to view profile, and here I'll go to menu and click on this. And now you can either select an avatar that we saw, or you can go to select a new image. If you want to use existing avatars, you can choose from this, or if you want to select a new image, just click on this and you'll be taken to your computer. Now from your computer, go to where your image or avatar is. So I'll go to mine, and here you can see we have various images. I'll select the one I wish and click on it to select, and you can see immediately it is added. To save, just click on save, and now it is successful. It has been updated. Look at that. Now my avatar is here, and that is my profile image or picture on Reddit. So that's how you can add a profile picture on Reddit account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.